Are you looking for the best scroll saws? In this video we will look at some of the best scroll saws on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. WEN LL2156 Scroll Saw. Throat depth, 21 inch, speed, 5501600 SPM, table size, 25-5/8 x 16 inch, motor, 1.6 amps, cut depth, 2 inch. If you plan to cut large workpieces, you need a scroll saw with a long throat depth. One of such saws is the WEN LL2156. With a throat depth of 21 inches, you can handle almost any size of workpiece with it. The extra-large dual bevel steel table provides ample material surface to maneuver the workpiece easily. The table is very spacious with a dimension of 25-5/8 inch length by 16 inch width. It can bevel up to 45 degrees to the left and up to 30 degrees to the right for cutting angles in the material. With a speed that can be varied from 550 strokes per minute to 1600 strokes per minute, the WEN LL2156 allows the user to fine-tune the saw to cut materials at the rate that's most suitable to bring out the best finish and overall result. Number 2. Dewalt WEN Scroll Saw. Throat capacity, 20 inch, speed, 5501650 SPM, table size, 16x23-3/4 inch, motor, 1.3 amps, cut depth, 2 inch. Scroll saws are a quite complicated piece of machinery, thus making them right can be quite tricky. Ease of use is very important, because the projects you intend to carry out with them are quite intricate, obviously. As to that regards, this Dewalt WEN Scroll Saw is well made and very easy to use. The saw features a double parallel link arm which pivots from the back of the saw to the front, shortening the distance it needs to move, and as a result reduces the vibration of the saw, allowing you to work more accurately. This feature also allows you to easily thread the blade through materials when making inside cuts, as the arm is very easy to lift. Changing the blades does not require the use of any tools. It instead features a blade clamp you can simply use to change the blade in just seconds. No matter how delicate your work is, the variable speed feature allows you to adjust the speed of the blade to match the application. Number 3. Delta Power Tools 40-694. Throat depth, 20 inch, speed, 4001750 SPM, table size, 24x 16 inch, motor, 1.3 amp, cut depth, 2-1/8 inch. The Delta Power Tools 40-694 Scroll Saw comes equipped with every feature you need to make even the most intricate of cuts and designs. With blade speed that can be varied between 400 and 1750 SPM, the saw can be used for a wide range of projects and applications. It features a dual parallel link arm which is designed to help reduce vibration, improve accuracy and reduce over- and undercutting. Replacing the blade can be done easily by simply raising the upper arm and locking it in place in the raised position. This gives you free access to remove and replace the scroll saw blade, which you simply need to unclamp. The saw table bevels to 45 degrees both left and right, allowing you to make bevel cuts easily. Number 4. JWSS-18B Scroll Saw. Throat depth, 18 inch, speed, 400-1550 SPM, table size, 11-5/8 x 21 inch, motor, 1.3 amps, cut depth, 2 inch. This scroll saw by Jet is an 18-inch benchtop scroll saw that comes with every necessary feature you need to cut smooth, intricate curves and shapes with ease. The 18-inch throat capacity coupled with a large 11-5/8 inch by 21 inches allows you to handle large materials pretty easily with it. Changing blades on it is pretty easy, as the saw is designed to make the process as simple as possible without the use of any tools. The upper arm clamps and tensions the blade automatically, while a removable lower blade holder snaps quickly and securely to hold the blade in place. It has a variable speed range between 400 and 1550 SPM, which allows you to match speed with the material or application. Bevel cuts are quite easy to make with the ability to tilt the saw head 45 degrees to the right and 40 degrees to the left. Number 5. BUCKTOOL. Throat depth, 16-inch, speed, 550-1600 SPM, table size, 18.2 x 11.5, motor, cut depth, 2-inch. If you need a very good moderately priced variable speed scroll saw with all the features you need to carry out your projects, this 16-inch unit from BUCKTOOL is one of the first ones I'd recommend. If you've had a few years back, you'll notice it has now been recently redesigned in 2022 to feature a much larger steel work table to provide a much better and spacious workspace for the user. Other parts updated in this new model is the changing knob, the blade holder, and a cast aluminum tension knob. Instead of using an external tool to change the blade, the new design enables you to change the blade easily by just twisting a knob, with the help of a spring holder keeping the blade steady while you tighten it. The cat iron table is 18.2-inch long and 11.5-inch wide, with a through depth of 16-inch and a cutting depth of 2 inches.